This is part 2 of our DIY 4th of July mantle decor. So I've pleated my blue just like I pleated the red in the previous video, and next I'm checking to make sure all my little fan pieces are the same length. As you can see, I didn't do quite as good of a job cutting my blue, so I'm having to trim these off. So it's important to do this step before you start assembling them together. So I'm just checking to make sure that these are all the same length. And one of the reasons I like this project is this is super simple. It turns out really well, and it's a great project to do with kids or grandkids. So keep that in mind when you're looking for some DIY decor. So now that I have all my pieces cut to the same length, I'm assembling them together. So I'm just putting hot glue on one side and then putting the next fan piece. Once I have all them constructed together, open it up and it has this really cool result. So what I'm going to do next is I'm just going to add hot glue to one side, and then I'm just going to press the other side to it, and this is going to attach and make a complete circle. And I'm just lining these up, and I'll press the hot glue in place. If you want, you can use finger protectors for this, and I'm using 6 little miniature fans to construct the size circle. Next, you see how it's kind of collapsing on itself, especially since it's so large. So what we're going to do, we're going to flip it upside down and add hot glue to the back center in this star area, and then press and hold in place until your hot glue dries. So now we have 2 different sizes, one in blue, one in red, and I had to make just one more in a different pattern because I wanted you to see what it looks like if you change up what your pattern looks like. So I made polka dots, and I'm just pleating it the same way. This is actually going to be a smaller one, so what I'm doing is I'm only going to use 3 individual little fans and then glue those 3 pieces together. Also, by only using 3 fans, it's going to show the polka dotted pattern more because there's going to be more of a spread effect with the paper pleating. So it's going to show up more. And I am just in love with the way these polka dots turned out on this. So now I'm just flipping over on the back, adding in the glue in the center to stabilize it, press and holding it in place. I had 2 of these little red fans left over, so I'm just going to glue them together in a half circle, and they're going to look just as cute as a half circle as a full circle. Want to see how I decorated my mantle with these? Here's the result. I used these plus the DIY firecrackers that I had made in a previous tutorial, so check that out below if you're interested. And if you love home decor and making cute things for your home, make sure to like this video and follow for more. Thanks for watching.